Hello again, only me. Another little DIY project. Recently had a 3000 watt inverter which I installed in the garage. It has a remote control, but the remote control isn't that long, the lead on it. So I am going to extend it.
Oh, what's occurring?
The cable on the remote control that comes with the inverter is it's an on-off switch basically, with an RJ45 connector at one end, but it's hardwired into the controller at the other end. So how do we extend it? Basically just get a coupler and an extension lead, an RJ45 extension lead, pin for pin. Simple. Glorious day. First bit of sunshine for a fortnight. Let's hope it stays. Right then, so we've got my 3000 or 3 kilowatt inverter here, battery charger at the back in there. I don't know if you can see, there's 220 amp hour lithium in parallel. They're going through a 250 breaker to the inverter on 70mm cable. On here, what I've got plugged in here, that is the output to the sockets in the van. This mains cable in is that when you've got electric hookup into the van when you're on site or whatever, then you can put the inverter switch onto the remote. So if you lose the 240 hookup, if you lose the 240 hookup, it automatically switches to the inverter, and when the 240 volt is reinstated on the hookup, it switches off. So it's a nice little feature, that, or you can have it off, or you can just have the inverter on there. There you go. So I'll leave it on there. The remote that comes with, it's just on a normal RJ45 socket here. That goes in there. The remote itself is just a simple on-off switch. On, green light is on it, and there you go. So this, it would be better if this was plug and socket, but no. Anyway, so that needs to be mounted inside. So from here, I'll turn this off for now. So from here now, from here up to the back of the cupboard, I shall just run a normal RJ45 Cat 5 cable, and then off Amazon a little coupler to connect the remote control and the cable I run in from here. So then you can just operate it nice and easily from the van inside. So that's the plan. I will be putting this extension in the kitchen area, just above the gas level switch for the tank. I think it'll be handy there. She is on about wanting to put a microwave up here in the middle cupboard, but that's another story. See if I can talk her out of that. So that is the decision. I shall mount that there. Behind this, it does look a little bit thick, but here we have the dividing door into the cupboard. Let's have a little look in the cupboard here. We have a little inspection hatch, and what's behind here then? If I open the sliding door now, there we go. That's the gas level switch and indicator. So it's just a matter of putting a hole there, and then we'll have a little look, see where this all goes. Get the cable back around the garage. As I've said, the new inverter remote control is going to sit above here, which I think will be nice and neat. Easy operation, no messing about. Yeah, I think that'll be good. So I'll crack on, mark this out. As you know, I've just been doing a little bit of vinyl wrapping. Quick show again. So I've got some little bits and bobs left over. So what I'll do here is I shall mark around the base of this rather than measure. Mark around with a pen. And now if I just cut to the outside of that, I can stick that on and use the multi-tool to cut it out. Lovely jubbly. Okay, so there is my basic outline. So now I just need to... Oh, good God. I put a rag down front and back.
This is a nice place. Perfect for built-in bunk beds.
Yeah, we'll do that, yeah. That's a stud wall as well,
Right,
so
okay.
it wouldn't be too much trouble to take that out.
And there you have it. One little hole. Because we have got such a rim around the edge of this, it should cover everything. There, lovely. I think that'll look nice and neat. We've got a little bit of play. Just get it level now and screw it on. Alright, there we go. It's just tighten that in. I think she might be happy with that. So the panel is fitted, secured, and now it's just a matter of running the cable around the boot, inserting the RJ45 connector and powering up. Cable had to be fed down through the back and then I could fish it out outside. I did make a little bit of a mistake. When I was ripping out all of the things to run the cable in, I forgot to film it, but I can just show you where it goes. The RJ connector is inducting behind those boxes there. The extension cable then runs along here, down underneath here, and out and back into the inverter there. There we have the inverter set on remote, the extension cable plugged in, RJ45 coupler in place. So now we'll just go inside and try it. The moment of truth. Pink, red light comes on, as soon as the inverter clicks in, green light. Lovely. Great stuff. I think Rhian will be happy when she gets home from work. Hope you enjoyed that little video about installing the remote control for our inverter. I'm very happy with that, and I'm sure the better half will be very pleased that she doesn't have to go into the garage to turn the inverter on. I can now leave the inverter switch in the remote position constantly. If we're on electric hookup, then the sockets will work from electric hookup. If the electric hookup trips, the inverter will automatically kick in. When you reinstate the electric hookup, the inverter will cut off. Marvellous bit of kit. If you do like our videos, please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when a new video is released by us. And I shall see you on the next one, where no doubt Rhian will have something else for me to waste my time doing. I shouldn't say waste my time, productively use my time doing on the motorhome for her benefits. Bye.
Oh, what's occurring?